battery. Here's everything you need to know. Solar battery is a type of rechargeable battery that can be charged by solar energy. It's usually connected to solar panels, which convert sunlight into direct current electricity. The DC electricity can then be used to power up your appliances or charge your solar battery. Alternatively, the DC electricity can be converted into alternating current electricity by an inverter, which can then be fed into the grid or used to power your appliances. So how does solar battery work? Solar battery works by using chemical reactions to store and release electrical energy. There's different types of solar batteries, such as lithium-ion, lead-acid, flow, and nickel-cadmium batteries. Each type has its own advantages and disadvantages in terms of cost, performance, lifespan, and environmental impact. However, the basic principle of how they work is similar. A solar battery consists of two electrodes, anode and cathode, and an electrolyte, a liquid or solid substance that conducts electricity. When the solar battery is charging, the DC electricity from the solar panel flows into the anode, where it causes electrons to be released. The electrons then travel through an external circuit to the cathode, where they are accepted by atoms or molecules. This creates a chemical change in both electrodes, which stores energy in the form of chemical bonds. When the solar battery is discharging, the opposite process happens. The chemical bonds in the electrodes are broken, releasing electrons. The electrons then flow from the anode to the cathode through an external circuit, where they power your appliances or feed into the grid. This creates a chemical change in both electrodes, which releases energy in the form of electrical current. The amount of energy that a solar battery can store and deliver depends upon its capacity, usually measured in kilowatt hours, its power rating measured in kilowatts, or its depth of discharge, the percentage of capacity that a solar battery can safely use before it needs to be recharged, and state of charge, the percentage of capacity that a solar battery has left at any given time. The capacity is the total amount of energy that a solar battery can hold when fully charged. The power rating is the maximum amount of power that a solar battery can provide at any given time. Solar batteries have many benefits and drawbacks for homeowners who have or want to install a solar panel system. Here's some of them. Solar batteries can help you reduce your electricity bills by allowing you to use more of your own solar energy and less of the grid electricity. This can also protect you from rising electricity prices and peak demand charges. These can also aid in increasing your energy independence and security by reducing your reliance on the grid. This can also make you more resilient to power outages and grid failures. You can reduce your carbon footprint and environmental impact by using more clean and renewable energy and less fossil fuel-based energy. Solar batteries can help you increase the value and attractiveness of your property by adding a smart and sustainable feature to your home. Now, the biggest downside is that they're a little expensive to buy and install. Meanwhile, it largely depends upon the type, size, and brand of the battery. The payback period, the time it takes for you to recoup your initial investment, may vary depending on your electricity usage, tariff, and location. They offer limited lifespan and performance, depending on how often and how deeply you charge and discharge them. The capacity and efficiency of a solar battery may degrade over time due to wear and tear. You need to frequently oversee its maintenance and monitoring to ensure its optimal operation and safety. Some types of solar batteries may also pose fire or chemical hazards if not handled properly. Solar batteries may not be compatible with all types of solar panel systems or inverters. You may need to upgrade or replace some components of your existing system to integrate a solar battery.